Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect storage media at the saved destination. First, identify the type of storage device you wish to connect, like an external hard drive or a USB flash drive. Next, locate the available ports on your computer or the device where you intend to save data. Ensure you have the correct cable that matches both your storage device and the port on your computer for a successful connection. Common connection types include USB, which is incredibly versatile and found on nearly every computer, supporting speeds up to 20 gigabits per second with USB 3.2. Thunderbolt provides even faster data transfer, reaching 40 gigabits per second, ideal for high-performance tasks. For network storage, Ethernet cables connect network-attached storage, or NAS, directly to your router, allowing multiple devices to access files over the network. Once connected, some larger external drives, especially those with 3.5-inch disks, require an external power source. Always plug in the power adapter first, then connect the data cable to your computer. Your operating system, whether Windows or Mac OS, should automatically detect and mount the storage device, making it accessible through this PC or Finder within a few seconds. To prevent data corruption, always safely eject or unmount your storage device through your operating system before physically disconnecting it. If your device isn't recognized, check for updated drivers or try a different port. For multiple devices, a powered USB hub can provide stable power and connectivity, ensuring all your storage media function correctly and reliably for your saving needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.